Welcome back to IBM Cognos Analytics. Today, we are going to build a customized geographic dashboard from scratch to analyze regional web traffic. We'll begin by building a new dashboard where key metrics and insights can be brought together in one interactive view. Instead of starting from scratch, we will tap into a pre-governed enterprise sample dataset. With our data loaded, let's add a clear title. Head over to the Widgets panel on the left, drag a text box onto your canvas, and adjust the size. To make the header pop, we'll open the Properties pane on the right. Under the General tab, let's set a crisp white background fill and a light blue border. We'll also change the text color to a professional blue to match our branding. Cognos Analytics gives you complete design control. Effortlessly match your brand guidelines with intuitive customization tools. Build clean, polished, presentation-grade dashboards that meet corporate standards and impress every executive. With IBM Cognos, pixel-perfect dashboard experience has never been easier. Now, let's add some key performance indicators. Open the Visualizations tab and drag a KPI card onto the board. From our data tree, expand the source folder and drag website visits directly onto the card to display our total traffic. Just like before, we'll jump into the properties to give this KPI card a matching white fill and light blue border. Let's shrink it down and position it neatly in the upper right quadrant. One of Cognos' strengths is its ability to surface key metrics instantly. Let's track blog engagement next. Drag a second KPI card onto the canvas, but this time, drop the blog visits metric into it. Style it to match our theme and snap it right next to our total website visits card. KPI visualizations highlight important numbers, such as total website visits, helping teams monitor performance at a glance. Instead of searching through spreadsheets, stakeholders can identify trends immediately. Now for the core feature, the geographic breakdown. Choose the map visualization and expand it across the left side of the dashboard. Drag zip code into the location slot and website visits into location color. Cognos automatically generates a beautiful choropleth map pinpointing where traffic is highest. Cognos allows users to build dashboards through a drag-and-drop interface, reducing the time needed to create dashboards. Mapping data helps organizations identify regional patterns, customer behavior, or operational trends that may not be obvious in traditional charts. To compare overall traffic with blog interactions, let's create a companion map on the right. Map it by zip code again, but this time, select blog visits into the point color slot. This gives us a striking scatterpoint visual highlighting blog reader density. It helps to uncover deeper marketing insights. We can contrast total volume with content consumption side by side. Mapping blog engagement as point distribution instantly isolates our highest converting regional pockets, showing us exactly where to allocate ad spend. Finally, let's collapse our toolbars and switch over to preview mode to see the finished product. Thank you for watching.